twist this off. Here's the old shower head. I don't know if you can see, but there are like rocks and stuff in here. Here are the directions that I'm just reading. There we go. We're gonna put the Teflon tape around this part. I'm gonna wrap this around here. Here it is with the Teflon. That. Like that. We're screwing this part on here. This part's going in. So let's turn it on. Oh, there we go. So there's different settings. Very cool. Now the pressure is not that hard right now because I put it on the lowest setting. I just wanted to try it out. Oh, that's like a mist. This is a really cool filter. Can't wait to use it.